Today, we celebrate not just freedom but also the responsibility that comes with it. Our nation faces challenges, and just like the brave freedom fighters of the past, we, the future generation, must be aware of these challenges and work towards a brighter tomorrow. Grade 6 students have prepared a special theatre performance which will address some of the pressing issues we face as citizens. Their creativity and courage will inspire us all.
Great visionaries and time have again stressed about the fact that one of the prime means to bring about peace and end chaos is by giving up corruption. There is no confirmed form of corruption, as it can range from anywhere from a small bribe to nepotism, extortions and the rest. It has always been one of the causes for the lack of development in the less empowered sections of the society, as the practice has been known to favor the rich and powerful. So let us all come together in order to remove this evil from our society and build a better place to live in.
हाँ मैडम, हाँ, मेरा नाम प्रियंका है। मैं इस ऑफिस के बाजू वाले घर में रहती हूँ।
हाँ, tell me what's your problem?
Ma'am, I have telephoned and even launched 3 complaints that the street lights aren't working in a street for the past 4 months. People, especially children, are suffering a lot.
क्या चिड़चिड़ कर रही है? सबके घर पे problems हैं।
क्या?
Sorry ma'am, your complaint didn't reach me.
What do you mean it didn't reach you? It was me who filed a complaint directly to you. Ma'am, I hope you don't expect me to believe whatever you say.
What's wrong with you, ma'am? Why don't you just give him what he asked for?
क्या मतलब? What do you mean?
Bribe, ma'am, bribe. As you people call it. If you want your work to get done, you must give him some money.
This is unfair. Then what is he paid by the government for? Next beggars will start demanding money from us.
Oh, hello, madam. You don't argue and waste time here. Either you give the money or move away.
मेरे पैर ऐसे से
मेरे को मदद चाहिए
यार अम्मा नीन ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಬಂದು ನನ್ನ ತಲೆ ತಿಂತಿದ್ಯಾ
सर
व्हाट
मेरे को खाना समझ में नहीं आता है
ಛೇ ಕರ್ನಾಟಕದಲ್ಲಿ ತು ಕನ್ನಡ ಬರಲ್ವಾ
नो सर हाँ सर I need a CC for my sister here is my ration card and the details of the child's background please sir
ನೀನು ಲಂಚ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬಾ
sir please sir sir please sir please sir sir please sir please sir
ಏ ಇರಮ್ಮ ನೀನು ಹಾ everything is in order but for one
sir I don't understand
hey Ramu take around and explain the procedure
yes sir
hey hero bande
but sir what but sir I'm from poor family and I have enough money to only pay my sister's school fee today is the last day too please sir
even I have a sister who wants a new cricket set I'm a few rupees short so give me the money or you know the procedure and you have to attach 200 rupees if you want this sign understand
but sir
if you argue with him like this he
Government pays you salary for doing your jobs, but yet I don't know how I'm going to pay my sister's fee. Come!
Sir, I don't mind standing you one full day. I want my work to be done, sir.
Hood, hang ठीक है?
I don't think I can bear any more corruption.
Oh, so you are also a victim of that dreaded disease too, huh?
You mean there's someone you know who is?
I am. People over here from the last few days, they called me a fool when I could have easily done my documentation with some money.
But I am not going to give them any money, not even a single paisa. Why should I? This is brazen injustice and I am not going to tolerate this any longer.
All the very best. I hope and pray no one buys you.
They will not.
सर
हाँ बोलो क्या हुआ?
सर आपने टैक्स पे किया क्या सर?
Tax? What the hell should I pay the government for? It's just like throwing my money to a bottomless well. I'm not dependent on them anyway.
Sir, there's gonna be an income tax raid in your home tonight at 8 p.m. It's secretly arranged, so be prepared, sir.
Right, I'll see to it.
हाँ सर, आप क्या करेंगे अभी?
तेरे को मैं छोड़ूंगा नहीं.
Sir, meanwhile, pay some attention to this poor woman, sir.
Sure, it is already done. See, she's coming.
दिव्या,
तू इधर है क्या? Thank you so much, sir. Everything has reached us safely. All the appliances are from good companies. I think my sister Divya would like a new laptop.
Who's there? Sir! Arey, the village people are coming. Everybody, run!
I'll tell him if the electricity issue is not fixed, I won't vote for him. Arey, come inside. Why are you talking to him? There's no point in wasting your time. Where is that man? Where is he? He's just looting money from us. Yes, you remember 5 years ago, water supply was not there. Electricity problems. Farmers were not paid. No proper education system. Arey, chup karo yaar. We'll go and talk to him.
Yes, I remember 5 years ago, you had water issue, you had electricity issue, you had children's education issue, you had this issue, you had that issue, blah, blah, blah. You know what, guys? I will give you 10,000 rupees. Please vote for me, huh? Not only you guys, even the village people. I will give you 10,000 rupees each.
Sir, you can't buy us, sir. Sir, you can't buy us.
This is unfair. Then what is he paid by the government for?
Bribe, ma'am, bribe, as you people call it. So, meanwhile, pay some attention to this poor woman, sir.
This is brazen injustice and I'm not going to tolerate this any longer.
Yes, you remember 5 years ago, water supply was not there. I won't vote for him. Why are you talking to him? There's no point in wasting your time.
Tax! What the hell should I pay the government for?
Sir, आपने tax पे किया क्या, sir? I hope and pray no one buys you. Government pays you salary for doing your jobs, but yet
I think my sister Divya would like a new laptop.
give me 500 rupees. Give.